Today, let's explore Nara Deer Park, a calm and unique spot where gentle fawns and historic temples create a magical experience. Located in Nara, this expansive park is renowned for its friendly deers, which roam freely among the lush greenery. These deer are considered sacred messengers of the gods in Shinto belief. As you wander through the park, you'll see them calmly grazing or approaching visitors with a hopeful gaze. A fun tip: you can buy special deer crackers called shika senbei from vendors in the park. The deer love these treats and will eagerly come over for a nibble. Just be ready for some enthusiastic company. The park also features beautiful temples and shrines. Don't miss Todaiji Temple, home to the great Buddha statue, and Kazuka Taisha Shrine with its hundreds of stone lanterns. Enjoy the tranquil beauty of the friendly deer that make Nara Deer Park truly special. Au revoir and keep exploring.